Today we will turn this into a game console using Arduino and one joystick.
We used one joystick for control. We used a Nokia screen as the display, and we used an Arduino Uno as the main controller. The code is a little long because it controls the screen, the joystick, and the games. To keep the system stable, I fixed all the components on the orange surface using a hot glue gun. Now let's connect the power cable and turn on the system. Here is the result. Now let's check the games. Let's play our first game, Flappy Bird. The second game is Tetris. The third one is Pong. The fourth game is Racing. And the last one is a memory game. I have a small subliminal message for you in this game.
Thanks for watching guys, and tell me in the comments which game is your favorite.